We are going to discuss about the Python code with which we can convert speech to text. So whatever we will speak, it is going to get converted into the text form. We can convert it into the text form by the help of this simple code that I have got here on this Python platform. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, first I'm going to show you how this code is going to help us in converting speech to text. Fine. So I am going to build this program first on Python. How are you? Are you okay or are you fine?
Are you okay or I fine?
I am not able to understand what are you telling me. Are you telling me to go to the north side or are you telling me to go to the south side?
I am not able to understand what are you telling me. I telling me to go to the north side or I going telling me to go to the south side.
Okay, so this is how this program works. Fine, whatever you're going to speak, it is going to convert it into the text-based form, text form, and after that, an artificial intelligence voice you will be able to hear, which is going to read for us this whole text.
Okay, this is how this program was 5. Whatever you wish to speak, it is getting converted into text form, and after that an artificial intelligence voice you will be able to hear, which is going to read for this whole text.
Okay, let's now cancel this build from here and check out the code that I have made use of for designing this beautiful thing. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do is you need to install two packages. Let me tell you the name of the packages which you need to install. So the first package is speech recognition. So that's how you can install it. Pip install. This is a command that you need to fire in this command prompt. Speech recognition. Okay, and then after writing down this command, you just have to hit enter. Okay, so the version of Python which I am using, it already satisfies all the requirement of this package, so I don't need to install this one. Now let's install the second package, which is pyttsx3. So the same thing I'm going to do for this one also. It is pyttsx3. Remember the name of the packages you need to install for designing this program. Okay, so because I have already installed this package before, so that is the reason these things are coming over here. Fine, requirement already satisfied. Now let's come on the coding section and check out the code, the one which I have made use of for converting speech into the text form. Okay, so the first thing which I have made use of is these two lines of codes. So I've imported the speech recognition module as SR. Okay, and I have imported this module pyttsx3. Okay, so once I am done with importing this thing, what I have done, I've initialized the recognizer. So this is a command that you have to remember for initializing the recognizer. We make use of this command when we are converting any audio file to speech, or any audio file to a text format, or any text for, or if we need to convert a text form into an audio form. So we generally make use of this command. So just keep a note of this thing. Now let's come on the function which is actually helping us to convert text to speech. Fine. So this is the function. Here I have made use of this variable engine, and this is a function initialize, okay, or you can say initiate. So this is going to initiate this pyttsx3 module, which is going to help us in making the required conversion. Okay, so engine.say command. So whatever I will say, it is going to get stored. It is going to get fetched up by this function over here, and after this engine is going to run, and then it is going to wait for some time. Fine, run and wait, run and wait. Okay, so that's how this engine is going to process the whole string, or you can say the whole text, or you can say the whole speech or audio thing which I am going to say using my microphone. Fine. Now this is the loop which I have made use of here for the user to speak. So it is an infinite loop. Fine. And I have made use of this try block here for catching the exceptions, for handling the exceptions at the run, which I am going to come across at the runtime. Now, we need to use a microphone as source for input. So this is the code which is going to access the microphone connected to your device. Now what is going to happen? So see, the first thing is we need to wait for a second to let the recognizer adjust the energy threshold based on the surrounding noise level. Okay, so this is the code which is going to help us in doing the same. Fine. Now we need to listen for the user's input. So this is the code which I have made use of for doing the same. And now this is the function, Google function, recognize underscore Google function, which with the help of which we'll be able to recognize the audio, and then we can convert it into lower text. Okay, so everything which is visible to you here in this part, it is in lowercase, right? So it is because of this function that I've made use of here. Okay, now finally this print function is going to print for us the whole text. Okay, and speak test, this is the voice which is going to speak everything which I have spoke and has converted into the text based form by this code that I have written over here. Finally, these are going to handle the exceptions. If there is an unknown value error, so this is going to print, this command is going to print this thing as in the output part. And if it is a request error, so it is going to print for us this whole thing in the output part. Okay, so this is the whole code you guys can make use of for converting any speech into text based form. Hope you enjoyed this lecture a lot. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and also share the link of this video with your colleagues in their groups so that they can also come and join my channel and learn these Python codes free of cost. Have a great day. Bye.